Hello, today I have a DFX palette for you to show with 6 one-strokes and a brush. Before we start, please like, subscribe and click the bell button to know when I post. I make a variety of time lapses, makeup tutorials and product reviews. So if that's what you enjoy, this is the channel for you. Together with this palette it comes a flat brush. It is quite small, but you can use it still for a couple of color combinations. For example, just now I'm using one stroke and using 3 different color combinations: white and purple and light blue, then purple, light blue and dark blue, and at the end I press strongly so the bristles go wide apart and this will pick up most of the colors. Obviously this is not ideal, so for these one strokes I would best use 3/4 inch brush or 1 inch brush. Today I'm going to use 1 inch brush. I will do one line so you can see the colors well, and then I'm going to do some flowers and flip the brush upside down so you can see different color combinations. I hope you found this video useful. Please like, subscribe, and also let me know which color combination you like the most. I think this purple is my favorite at this time. I also really like a red and yellow and blue. Well, I think I like them all. Yeah, purple and red for me. What about you? Thanks for watching. See you in my next videos. Bye! If you are on Instagram, pop into one of my accounts and say hello. I do arts and crafts, face painting, creative makeup, and healthy food and travel. I hope to see you there!